Hi, let's have a look at the highlights of AODocs Release 53. For end users, we have visually revamped a number of items. The AODocs header has a new look and feel throughout the AODocs interface. The Views page has been visually revamped. In Documents with a Workflow, the Workflow button now displays the document's current workflow state and has a new blue background to enhance its visibility. On the Properties tab, we applied the same visual enhancement to the display of the current workflow state. For library administrators, we improved the display of the Views management page. The management options of each view are now listed in a More Actions menu. The View configuration page has also been revamped and reorganized, and we added new configuration options. When you're defining which documents to display in your view, and you've selected a pre-filtering criteria based on a date, you can now use today as the reference point for the criteria. For person-based filters, you can now select to display only documents corresponding to the user who opens the view. In this example, when a reviewer opens this view, they will see only documents where they are defined as the reviewer and with expiration dates that match today and the next 30 days. When you configure the inherited permissions on a document class, you can now give users read and comment permissions. In this release, we introduced advanced permissions roles. As a library administrator, you can assign these roles to library contributors and readers to extend some management rights at the library level. Document managers can view hidden properties, edit all existing properties, and can force workflow actions. Category values managers can add, modify, and delete category values in existing categories. They can also set or cancel values as outdated. Maintenance managers can view and release locked documents. We have reached a new milestone, and in this release we're introducing calculated properties. Calculated properties are custom properties whose values are calculated from a formula. You can use calculated properties for a wide variety of use cases, such as setting a unique sequence ID for your procedures, calculating the VAT price of your commercial proposals, or to determine the next technical assessment of a procedure. This feature is currently available as a closed beta and will be available as an open beta at a later date. Contact us via email to request access to the closed beta. We're always working on improving your user experience. For full details of all the changes in this release, read the release notes. See you next time.